Good morning. So today we're working on a 2007 or 8 ML63 AMG. The notorious liftgate that doesn't work, or tailgate, I'm sorry. So the customer brought this truck in about 2 weeks ago. We diagnosed obviously that the pump wasn't good. See how rusted up it is, terminals, wires are bad. He suggested, let's just replace the pump. I said, oh, that's not a problem, whatever. There's a lot of corrosion on the connectors, the power connector, it's all green. Now, this is the pump right here, brand new. It's the part number. Got the new banjo bolts, the crush washers for the banjo bolts, some plugs that we're probably not going to be using. Now the computer also had corrosion on the connector, but if you purchase yourself one of these kits, I think I paid maybe 20 bucks on Amazon. It's the electrical terminal maintenance set. It comes with some of this cleaner for the connectors. Cleaner enhancer. Basically cleans up the corrosion pretty good. Maybe some brake cleaner. You're gonna need a bottle of some penetrant oil. What else? 12 mil flathead screwdriver. Just to remove this. This is where the spare tire sits. I also do recommend you getting yourself one of these cargo bars. I use this on my pickup truck to prevent cargo from shifting, just to kind of hold the tailgate up, because when you do release those hydraulic lines, now begin with saying that I have never done this before. So I'm assuming that if I do remove one of these lines, that the liftgate could come down. The tailgate. And I guess, just common sense. I don't know. So we'll begin with applying some of this stuff on these pins, just to kind of get them cleaned up. Just to kind of clean it up a little bit. Now I do recommend disconnecting the battery. Just like that. Also, get yourself a couple rags. You don't want to dump hydraulic fluid out all over the place. Now, this pump came new with hydraulic fluid already in it. Maybe you might need some more. Who knows? So this line loosened up. So I sprayed these two connections about 15 minutes ago. See all that fluid is pouring out. Now, that's definitely the extra pressure that's in those hydraulic rams up top. Now remember, this is the blue, red. You can't mix them up. So if you did lose these tags, just kind of mark it either here or here, whatever, so then you know that it went to this top one or the lower one. Moving this. Alright, so you want to begin by removing these plugs so the fluid doesn't spill out. Now see right here, it says red, blue. This is the red one, so obviously just fell off when I was cleaning it. So we're gonna set this bad boy like this. Just have some banjo ball washers. Now, new bolts. Now one washer goes on here like this. See, make sure these are the same size. Just about, yeah, okay. So we have the red line. One washer goes here, and the other goes here. Just like that. Red. And the same goes with the blue. Banjo bolt, sealing washer, place it on here, this way. Alright. Okay, so that's that. Just to the side. I'll just snug him up. So kind of get an idea where they were sitting. Tighten them up. See, this one just moved. I'm assuming this is probably like a 15 foot-pounds. Just gotta make sure. See, this line can't be like that. Breaking. So what you want to do to prevent it from moving like that, what I do sometimes, you could even use an old bolt, or just kind of stick a screwdriver in between here. Kind of snug it up, just like that. There we go. See, held it in place. All right, so we just got that done. Okay, so kind of vacuumed it up a little bit. It's just such a mess. We put this little foamy pad stuff in. Like I said before, put some of this, I guess it's called Detox It, cleaner and enhancer for electric connectors. This kit was probably like $20–25. This is the module. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this back in this little spot. So make sure that these lines go towards the back. Just reconnect this. Let's connect the module first. Do a hard reset. So when they say doing a hard reset on these, they basically mean just disconnecting the modules. That's pretty much what it is. Nothing special. Now, make sure you're pretty quick with it. Let's see. Alright, so now we can release this. Now, it's time for the truth. I don't know what the hell just happened, but it definitely worked. I guess it's got air in the system. Wow. I think it needs some help. Hopefully the pump's not running low. That's okay. I do not have any extra fluid. I didn't have any to begin with. We definitely gotta fix this. I don't know who worked on these cars, but let's see if this little shut. Give it a little help. Pretty sure it's gotta go a little higher than that. It's definitely getting better. Not sure why it's not going all the way up. It might be these struts not strong enough anymore. They seem to be fine now. Ah, this one's definitely bad. Let's check that out. So put your cargo support just in case. You never know. So unclip this. This is just a strut. This isn't the hydraulic rams or ram. That's a little too much pressure. There we go. So, you see that? You see that? You see that? So you gotta be careful. Just gotta give it a little. Oh, okay, no, this ram is definitely good. No, that's good. Oh, guess we'll find out, right? Maybe just hasn't worked in a while, so yeah, see. All right, well, guess that's all, folks. I'm sure you get the rest. Cover goes back in here like this. This module sits in this groove up top right here. This connector slides into this piece right here. It's not rocket science, but this was definitely the issue. As you could tell, that this connector basically ripped off. Yeah, you could sit here fixing this, you know, but then who knows, probably water behind this cap right here on the motor. The fluid does look really, really old, I guess because of all this bullshit rust that's on here. He paid, I'm not sure how much he paid for this. This is from the dealer. I think around 400, maybe 500 bucks. But that's what the customer wanted, that's what he gets. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions, also leave a comment. I'd gladly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.